Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting what Instagram needs: the original email or phone plus a government ID. Once done, open the Instagram app and go to the login screen. Do not try random fixes. Tap Get Help Logging In or Forgot Password. This starts the official recovery path. You'll be asked to enter the username, email, or phone linked to the account. Make sure you use the exact spelling and full phone number including country code, so Instagram can locate the account quickly. Next, you will submit an identity verification request. This is the complex middle step. After selecting Need More Help, follow prompts to upload a photo ID and, if requested, a selfie holding a handwritten code. Explain briefly why you lost access, for example, hacked or lost password, and include dates or previous passwords if known. Once uploaded, double-check images are legible and meet Instagram's requirements. Unclear photos cause rejections and delays, so take time here. Finish by waiting for Instagram's email. This can take days, so be patient but vigilant. When you receive instructions, follow them exactly and respond quickly to any follow-up questions. Speed improves your chance of recovery. If your claim is denied, review the rejection reason, correct the specific issue like image clarity or mismatched info, and resubmit one time with improved evidence. Troubleshooting tip: if you don't get email, check spam, archived folders, or alternate addresses you might have used.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.